what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another episode. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to get you through how to prepare a simple organic herbal lip balm, and also I'm going to share in certain lip care routines which can be followed on a daily basis. So this video is solely dedicated to lip care only. So if you want to know more about it, you know what to do, that is you have to watch this video. For those of you who are here for the first time, hi, I'm Dr. Smriti Walson. I make Ayurvedic remedies and lifestyle content here in my YouTube channel. So if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. So with that, let's dive in straight into the topic. Wearing a lip balm is something everyone should get on board with, no matter your gender. Lips is exposed to elements every minute of every day, and that is in between intense cold, dry air, hot sun. That's a lot to endure with, right? So providing nourishment and hydration is a must to maintain youthful, wrinkle-free, healthy lips. Lips are a part of the human body which is very thin when compared to face skin. That is why it is susceptible to getting chapped and inflamed, which thereby leads to pain, swelling and discoloration. So it's very important to moisturize them with a lip product which will help in healing as well as protecting them from the harmful effects of the environment. So nowadays, whatever lip balms we get in the market, either it helps in protecting but it fails in healing your lips, or else you see some lip balms help in healing your lips but unfortunately it keeps coming back again. So using the right lip balm plays a very important role. So the lip balm which I am going to show you all plays a very important role because it helps in both. It has two properties. It helps in protecting as well as it helps in healing. Thereby it helps in making your lips look plumpier and healthier. The ingredients to prepare a lip balm are 70 ml ghee, 1 aloe vera, 3 grams of salt, rose, 5 grams of beeswax, 3 grams of jaggery, 1 beetroot. So these are the ingredients. First and foremost, I'm going to make a paste of beetroot and aloe vera together. So I'll grind it in the grinder. As you can see, I've made the paste ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an iron vessel, and to this I've added the ghee. So if required, you can even use til oil. That will also do to prepare a lip balm. So once it's warm, I'm going to add the paste to it. If you have seen other YouTube videos, they have directly added the beetroot juice to prepare a lip balm. But the problem with such preparations is that it just lasts for a day. Now I'm going to add the salt to it. After which I'm adding jaggery. So all these ingredients have been told in the classical text of Ayurveda, and to this I'm going to add this rose petals. So basically we cook these ingredients so that the shelf life of the product lasts for a longer period of time. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So we cook these ingredients with water so that all the active principles of these drugs, they are absorbed into the ghee. So we will be cooking it until the water content in the ghee is totally evaporated so that the medicine lasts for a longer period of time. If there is little content of water still present, what will happen is your lip balm will get spoiled. So we have to make sure that it is properly cooked. So how do you know whether your ghee is cooked? So what you have to do is you have to take the paste and you have to roll it in between your fingers. If it forms a wick, it indicates that the medicine is prepared. Yep, it's done. So you can see, right? Yeah, that's how it has to be done. Yep, so we're good to go for the next step. So once it gets cool, what we have to do is we have to filter it. So now again we are going to take the iron vessel and we are going to heat it, and to this we are going to add the filtered ghee. So make sure that the flame is not too high. To this now we are going to add the beeswax. So be careful when you put the beeswax in the ghee, and you have to stir it continuously. So we'll be stirring it till the beeswax completely gets dissolved in the ghee. So our product's ready. Yes, we're good to go. So once it cools down, you have to take a container. So I have this MAC container of mine which is actually empty. So I have just washed it and I'm going to use it to fill in this lip balm. So you have to fill it before it gets cold and it gets clamped. I'm lucky to have this small container because it's easy to carry and I can just put it in my purse and use it whenever I need, rather than taking a big bottle and carrying it around. So when the medicament is lukewarm, that's when you have to fill your containers, because if it gets cold, this is how it looks and it'll be difficult for you to fill your containers. So yeah, our lip balm is ready. So this is how it looks. It actually looks and feels like an actual lip balm. So I want to close it and yeah, I'm going to use it. Current lip care products for everyday basis contain a lot of heavy metals and preservatives in them. Other than leaching through the pores of your lips, they contain a lot of harmful chemicals and heavy metals which are being accidentally ingested, leading to a lot of unwanted side effects. Cosmetics play a very important role in today's era, undoubtedly, and the current trend is going green in every industry, including the cosmetic department, wherein they are trying to imbibe a natural way of living. So you take any herbal cosmetic product, you can see that there are a lot of herbal ingredients, but at the end of it they add up preservatives to spoil it all. That is, it just helps in improving the shelf life and in no way it helps in protecting and healing your lips. So in this video an attempt is made to show you all how a simple lip balm can be prepared, which mainly helps in protecting, healing and nourishing your lips. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions or queries related to this video, you can leave a comment below. I'm sure to respond. I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching.